Good day folks, in today's video we're going to take a look at what to do if you've lost your drone. We're going to be using tools built into the DJI Fly app. No matter whether you're trying to find your lost Mavic Air 2 or your Mavic Mini, this technique will work on both drones. Unfortunately, sometimes we lose our drones. Perhaps you've clipped a tree, maybe the drone malfunctions and falls to the ground, or perhaps you were flying and the battery got too low and you had to make an emergency landing. Sometimes you know exactly where your drone landed, but other times you don't. You could be a fair ways away, maybe perhaps it's lost up in a tree or even in some tall grass and very difficult to find. So let's just jump right in and I'll show you how to find your lost drone using the DJI Fly app. So in this situation, if you've crashed your drone, you can see out there in front of me, there's just a field. You might know the general location where your drone went down, but with tall grass, or if it's a wooded area, lots of trees, it'd be really hard to pinpoint it, and you would be doing a lot of searching trying to find it, if you could even find it at all. So the first thing you can do is take a look at your screen. You can see the camera's still running, but all we can see there is grass. Sometimes you're able to pinpoint certain structures or certain trees, but in this situation, all we can see is grass, so that doesn't help us. So what we're going to do is go to find our drone. We're going to hit the top right hand side. Under safety, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to select find my drone. As you can see on the map here, the blue dot is us, that's where I am located, and the little triangle there, that is the drone. So it's telling me it's been missing for 0 minutes, and it depends on how long it's been missing for. We can change the view of the map. We'll put it to satellite view, so you can see there it kind of gives us a rough idea. Now at this point, we just have to walk towards where the drone is located. And you'll be able to tell you're getting closer once the dot gets closer to the triangle. So we'll just walk here. And again, the grass is tall here, so it's hard to see. As you can see now, our dot is pretty close to the triangle, so that means we're in the general vicinity of where the drone is. But what we can do here is start a flashing and beeping sequence. So right away, I can hear it behind me now. And if we come over here, you'll be able to see there's the drone right there. Now the lights don't really help us in this situation, but if it was a darker environment, the lights would definitely help. So there you go, we've recovered our drone. So definitely a good tool built into the DJI Fly app. Those tools within the DJI Fly app work with both the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic Mini. Now I just want to show you something here too. Say the battery has died on the drone. You can still access it by going to your profile and then choosing Find My Drone. As you can see, the aircraft is completely powered off right now, but it still gives us the last known location. So even if the battery does happen to die, you can still go out and look for it. Well folks, that's basically it for my video. Hopefully you found it useful and got some value out of it. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.